We're a private expediter of passports and visas, founded in 1975 in the Silicon Valley. We're right in that sweet spot of companies that need to travel all over the world and need a third-party provider to help them with that.
Prior to Moxo, it was very chaotic communicating via email because ultimately we get this very long chain and people would reply in different ways. You would have to basically unload this long email and search for attachments, and usually you couldn't find them. And there was a lot of back and forth frustration with the clients.
The aha moment was definitely the flows. When I first saw that all of a sudden the contextual support within the checklist is available and the fact that users acknowledge each item within that flow, it was like, oh my God, was this built for us?
And now with Moxo, we can actually see what they're preparing, how long they're moving through the process, and we're able to respond in case they need any assist.
That contextual support is really a huge part of managing an efficient process for our clients, and something I've been looking for a long time for our business. Much more dynamic, much more integrated with the user.
The way that we onboard clients, we send them an invitation to their designated flow. Being able to tell everybody up front everything they need to know about these individual documents has saved us a lot of time and ensured a lot more accuracy. Even if we don't interact with the traveler at all, they're able to follow the flow and follow all the required documents and basically take care of the process mostly themselves without even needing to reach out to us.
We're able to drag and drop, add items into flows immediately. And we're also able to start offering services that we weren't offering before because we can build a flow out in a matter of minutes. With flow branching, we're able to use conditional logic to provide very specific information to travelers based on a set of information, where they're located, their nationality, and the visa type that they need. This mitigates a lot of duplicate work, and by using milestones, we can actually lay out the process overview first, then get into the requirements of what's needed, and then get into the submission process for them.
In the past, it would take clients a couple of days to prepare the documents and for us to receive them in our office. Now we receive documents from our clients within a couple hours and ready to be submitted to the passport office or to the consulates the next day.
Moxo has absolutely impacted our company's top line revenue growth. Our time's cut in half. The fact that we're able to scale out to different services at a rapid clip has been huge for us and is going to continue to be huge. As we look towards the future, we're really at just the beginning of what we can do with Moxo.